Silpa Akka, she does a lot of good work with farmers. She started a group called Connect to Farmer.
I've been attending the meeting and I have seen all the speakers. It's been really great work by everyone. And a special thanks for you, Vikas, for this organizing, informing this platform, first of all. And you are trying to bring everyone together. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Akka. Shilpa Akka started an initiative called Connect to Farmer, and she has organized multiple webinars, and she had brought together thousands of them under one platform where exchange of ideas happened and exchange of successful case studies, and some of them went to the field and they did workshops there too. And she stays in Singapore, but her heart is in Indian villages. More strength to you, Akka. You are a huge inspiration.
Thank you. And if anyone is interested, they can visit our Facebook page, Connect2Farmer. Thank you. Yeah.
Bharat, after his engineering and masters also, he chose to work in the sustainability space. So he how to put it, um, he works with eco-friendly products, and he's doing a lot of work there to look for alternatives for day-to-day items that we use, but not eco-friendly. Bharat.
I'm happy that I could join this Zoom session. Yesterday, I missed yesterday's topic session. So, I could attend and I could listen to all the speakers. It was really motivating and inspiring. Like people from different walks of life working and focusing on environmental issues and inspiring people like us. So, I'm also like very much interested to just connect to Centre and Council for Green Revolution. So I'm just looking forward to be there at the Centre once. Thanks for the session, and hope I'll be wishing to join other sessions also in coming days.
Yeah, it's a pleasure joining the group, the webinar. As youths, we have a major role to play in terms of fighting for our future. Of course, we're very young and we started feeling the impact of climate change earlier than our future older generations because they are already passing. So we need to come together and act collectively. Do not work in silo. Ensure that we work collectively to see that we hold our leaders accountable. As one of the proverbs say that the planet was not borrowed from our forefather, but also from current or future generation, that they must ensure that they take practicable solution in order to protect our future. We as youths are the front line of climate change. Major youth, more especially from Africa. I'm from West Africa, and I happen to be the focal point for the Pan-African Climate Justice Alliance. Recently, we organized a road show in raising awareness, bringing other youths on board, because actions can be at various levels and at different strata, individually, collectively, and as a community within households. So we all need to do our best. We all need to take action, no matter how small or how little your action, but every action counts. Whatever thing we do can make tremendous difference. And most importantly, when we all join forces together in fighting and taking action or fighting climate change, we can make a tremendous difference. So as youths, it is good that this webinar is being organized, and so that the voice of the youth, young people at least might be brought forward, and we can provide alternatives towards solving the problems. because we are part of the problem and we have a stake, because the future belongs to us, and we don't want a future that will be passed over to us that is degraded, that is depletable. So it is good that we come together, and I'm happy to be part of this webinar. It's a pleasure joining. Again, I'm Henry David Bayo from Sierra Leone, focal point for Pan African Climate Justice Alliance.
Thank you so much. Thanks to each and everyone for your time. With this, we'll conclude this session. And we see this as a beginning. It's beginning for a larger collaboration going ahead. Let's be in touch.